Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going green. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and keep watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell button as well, so you get a notification every time I do upload a video. So we're just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna prep my face with the e.l.f. Cosmetic Prep and Blur Stick, and then we're just gonna work that into the skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Longwear Foundation. I just got this from Sephora. It was a tester, and I wanted to see if the shade would match, and it actually was pretty good, and it blended out really nice as well, so thumbs up to that. So we're just gonna blend that into the skin, you know, the ear, the neck, everywhere, so you know, so that looks like skin. And next, I'm going to highlight my face with the CoverGirl Elixir foundation in the shade 675. I actually like this foundation for highlighting because I just like the effect it gives me, and it's pretty lightweight as well. So I'm just going to put that where I want to highlight, and then I'm going to highlight the bridge of my nose with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. And then I'm just going to use our damp beauty blender to blend everything in. And next, I'm going to contour with the Huda Beauty Contour in the shade Rich. This is a pretty nice contour as well. And then I'm just going to put it in every other point where I want to contour. And then I'm going to blend it in using my beauty blender. Just watch how flawless this blends in. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. And then I'm going to use the same powder in the lighter shade Medium to set all the places that I highlighted. And next, I'm just gonna carve out my contour so that it's a bit sharper. Next, we're gonna go into the eyebrows. I'm gonna use the LA Color eyeliner pencil in the shade Dark Brown to just carve out my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna fill it in with the Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil in the shade SIMMA Brown, which is like a lighter brown to this pencil, so that it looks nice and not too dark. So once that is all filled in, I'm going to use a spoolie to just brush that together and make sure it's all blended together. And then I'm going to clean it up with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and a flat brush. I'm just going to use that to clean it up so it looks nice and sharp. Next, we're going to go into the eyelids, and so I'm just going to prep the eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Deep Dark. I'm just going to leave that on there for a few minutes while I dust out the powder on my face, and then set with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Makeup Mist and Set. So once that is all dried up, I'm just going to blend out the concealer that I put on my eyelids. I'm going to blend that towards my eyebrows a little bit, just above my crease, just to make sure that color stays, you know, there. And then we're gonna go with this green from the BH Cosmetics 120 color eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna put that into my crease. Now I'm using this brush because it packs up a lot of color, and I'm just placing that into my crease, you know, so it doesn't move. And then I'm gonna blend it outwards, you know. And then I'm gonna do that to the other side as well. Once that is all blended out, I'm gonna go in with the lighter green from the palette and just blend out the outward corners, you know, so that is all blended out and looks nice. And so as we're doing a cut crease, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut my crease. And so I'm just gonna put this mint green eyeshadow on there and just cover up, you know, the place that we put the concealer for the puckers. And so I'm using the small brush so I get into all those corners. I think I dipped into a different shade of green for this eye, but yeah, I mean, it still gave me the effect that I wanted, but you know. And so next, for some glitter, we're gonna go into the Makeup for MELANINGIRLS glitter palette. Now this shade has like a green tint. I don't think the camera caught it properly, but as you can see, once I put it on my eyelids, it actually pops. And so what I do is I spray the glitter with some makeup mist. That way it's easier for me to just place where I want it. And you guys, oh my god, I couldn't find my liquid eyeliner anywhere. And so because I wanted to do, you know, a liner look, I'm just gonna be using my mascara instead. I mean, it looks pretty fine, but you know, it was kind of patchy. So we're gonna do the under eye. I'm just taking this color from the Kylie Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Okay. And I'm just gonna put that in my under eye, and then I'm just gonna blend that out with this pink color from the BH Cosmetics palette. Next, I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara in shade black. And then I'm just gonna do my lashes off camera, and then do my lower lashes as well. And so for the inner eye point with tear duct, we're just gonna use this lighter green shade, you know, just to make it pop. Next, we're gonna contour the face, you know, just give it extra contour with this shade from the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm just gonna, you know, blend that in to my whole face. Next, we're using this blush from the JUVIA'S Place, the SAHARAN blush of volume 2. It's kind of like a pink orange, yeah, color. It's kind of like a pink color actually. You don't want to go too much because it has a white cast obviously, but yeah, it still has a nice pinky tone to it. Next, we're gonna highlight, you know, with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Gold Deposit. I wanted to try this brush and see how it works, and it's not bad actually. I usually use like a smaller brush to it, but I wanted to see how this plays out, and it wasn't bad actually. Just gonna highlight the rest of my face, you know, the highest points on my face, you know, just so we are popping. Next, we're gonna go into the lips. I'm using this ColourPop by SHAYLA lip pencil in the shade BFF4. This was from her Proceed with Caution collection. So I'm just gonna line my lips, and I do more than line my lips actually. I do go in, you know, but yeah. And then I'm gonna use the Makeup for MELANINGIRLS matte lipstick, and it's matte lipstick in the shade Raw. And then I'm just gonna use this brush to blend it all together. And then I'm gonna go in with this Kylie Cosmetics gloss in the shade Damn Gina. And I'm just gonna use the same highlight to highlight the highest points of my eyebrows. And voila, we're done for today. You guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you do like the video, and subscribe as well, share, and leave a comment. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.